Hello, my name is Simon, and today I will be showing you how you can create a product in Alistair. First and foremost, there are three main ways of creating products in Alistair. Let's go through them one by one, shall we?
The first way is creating a product from scratch. To do this, navigate to your products page from your dashboard. Once in here, on the right hand side, you can see a green button saying Add Product. Simply click on that. Afterwards, you will have to choose the correct eBay category for the product that you're about to create. You can browse through all the available product categories and simply add the one that characterizes your product. Now click Continue and you will be redirected to the product editing page. In this section, you will be filling in vital information about your product, such as title, subtitle, price, description, images, shipping details, and etc. Once you have filled the respective fields with the product information, then you can click on Save on the bottom of the page and your product is ready.
The second way is creating a new product by cloning an existing product. This way of creating a product could prove useful in the case that you might have products that are very similar to one another, and you don't want to create a second product from scratch. You can simply clone the product, make the necessary changes, and you're done. Now in order to clone an existing product, you'd have to follow these steps. Navigate to your products page, tick the box next to the product you wish to clone, then go to the Product Actions drop-down menu and select Clone, and you're all done. The third way of creating a product is by uploading a CSV spreadsheet. This is by far the fastest way of creating new products. Once your CSV spreadsheet is ready, simply hover over the Products tab and click on Product Upload. Choose the file you want to upload and click on Continue to move on to the next step. Now, you will have to select Import New Inventory rather than Update Existing Inventory because this is a new product, not an existing one. Then simply click on Import Inventory as shown and your newly created product should be on your products page. These are the three main ways of creating products in Alistair. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this instructional video useful. See you in the next one.